Where our EAS team comes into play is that anytime and inevitably there are projects and customers that standard line isn't going to work for what they want to do. And that's where our team will come in and the end user in understanding what the scope of the problem is and why standard doesn't work for them. If it, inevitably they want to go higher, they want to go wider, it needs to be mobile. And that's where our team starts talking to the end user about how we're going to design it, what's going to work for them, and get the project quoted, put it through sourcing, and we can very successfully navigate the sourcing agents through to close. As I mentioned earlier, one of our kind of sweet spots has been with the defense and aerospace customers. On the website, there's there's quite a few examples of applications that we've built. And I also shared with you, James, a slide of more recent projects that we've designed for those defense customers. That would probably be something kind of eye-catching to any of the national account managers to help them understand where we're at and what we can do. I put this together as an illustration to share on LinkedIn and other marketing pieces that our team has been putting out. And it's really tough to be able to collect a sheet like this because these defense customers are so secretive of their proprietary designs and no photography on site. I get to climb all over these machines and see the application and how cool of a project it is. But it's really hard to communicate that to the field reps and to the end users about what we have done without being able to have a photograph. And so what I did was I took some pictures of the AMP-V, which is a combat vehicle that BAE Systems makes, and then I took the stands that we built for it and just kind of married that into one slide together and then just made a collage of examples of other systems that we built. So you've got L3 Harris, Textron, other BAE stands, and Northrop Grumman. And while we were looking for this, it came to mind that it's not just the defense customers, but like Delta Airlines, Southwest, American Airlines, we work on projects through Grainger to support their needs as well. We have an active RFQ working for Delta Airlines in Detroit, if I'm not mistaken, for a pylon stand. It's got some good traction and about a 50% likelihood of close. So we can build anything. I think one of the points that's important to make is to really qualify the opportunity, understanding that is there a budget set for this? What are your expectations of what the budget is for a project like this? And what are your expectations for delivery? Because obviously it's got to be funded to allocate the resources towards developing a solution for something like this. But then what do they have reasonable expectations of what it actually takes to make something like this and get it shipped out to a customer? So being able to qualify those 2 points with going through an opportunity is important because there's a lot of RFQs. And so whenever we get through this and we understand that, yes, they've got a budget of X number of dollars, and that they are looking for a delivery sometime in Q3, that's a lot more serious of an opportunity and worthy of the resources. If it's, hey, just something kind of loosely being reviewed, we'll probably get a budgetary number out for that until it gets more developed.